Are you experiencing error code CE-110552-4 while trying to play a disc on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Verify the game's compatibility. When you get PS5 CE-110552-4 failed to read the disk error, confirm that the game you are trying to play is compatible with the PS5. You can find this information on the game's official website. Most of the PS4 games are playable on PS5. However, the PS5 can't read PS3 or older game discs. You can look for compatibility information on the game's page, search for any notes or tags indicating the game works with the PS5. Method 2. Check other discs. The next thing you should make sure is that the disc is inserted correctly. Try flipping it around and inserting it the other way if it doesn't work the first time. If that doesn't work, you can try playing other discs on your PS5. So first, eject the disc you were trying to play, then insert some other disc and try to play the content. If your PS5 is standing upright, try placing the disc horizontally or vice versa, then insert the disc again. If the new disc plays well, the issue might be with the specific disc you are trying to play. Method 3. Clean the disc. The next thing you can do is clean the disc. You can use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe the disc. Avoid using harsh chemicals or rough materials that could scratch it. Method 4. Check for physical damage. Next, you should check that the disc is not damaged. So inspect the disc for any visible scratches or damage. If the disc is damaged, it might need to be replaced. Method 5. Restart your PS5. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Turn off your PS5 completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on before trying the disc again. Method 6. Update system software. Next, ensure your PS5 system software is up to date. To update the system, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 7. Update the content. If you can see the game content on the home page but cannot play it, then try to update the game. To do that, highlight the game. Press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. If the method does not work for you, then go to the next method. Method 8. Restore licenses. To restore licenses on PS5 console, navigate to Settings. Then select Users and Accounts. Next, select Other. Then select Restore Licenses. Select the licenses that you want to restore. Method 9. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the error code CE-110552-4 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.